It's insane to just a boy who loves tractors shirt start up filming movies again. Which? Just a boy who loves tractors shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. I think it varies. I know some people who just had a just a boy who loves tractors shirt cough and others who had a bad fever and what they described as a burning throat and pain all over their body, like they were sore from working out but they could still taste and smell. This sub runs jokes into the ground faster than our NBA nephews. Some people get no symptoms. But there was that study that came out last month showing a bunch of people who had mild cases were showing heart inflammation weeks afterward. It's kind of scary how little we know about the toll this virus takes on the body. Other products.